Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. Today, I want to talk to you guys that are getting started in crabbing. Oh, nothing nicer than putting a nice Dungeness crab on the table. Oh, a salad. But you're having difficulty catching a few. Why? The depth maybe's wrong. The best depth that I've found flying the underwater camera is 90 to 180 foot bottom depth. Lots of sand. If you get into a rocky area, hey, you get some rock crab there. Those are really good also. You want to use a round crab pot, not a square one. And I'll tell you why. You see, with the square one here, the crab comes along, follows the edge, and just keeps going straight. Where with the round crab pot, the crab follows along the edge and gets caught into this hollow area and follows it right into the funnel, into the pot. Now here's something that I discovered helping the tribal. These shells. Yeah, shells. And they rattle back and forth making a sound. Let me show you how to put that together. But that will be in another YouTube. Bye-bye.